ever education talk show. Thank you so much. Shilpa Singhi, Principal of Smart Kindies. A very warm welcome.
Thank you.
May I?
Sure, but before you start, I would like to extend my warm gratitude towards the entire team, and the vibration is really very, very positive, and I am for sure taking away so many things. So it's a huge learning platform, and thank you so much from core of my heart to Gitanjali ma'am and National Education Forum for giving this opportunity to me and to speak my heart out here and share my journey with all of you. And also I would like to sitting in front of you, I was just listening the way you were asking questions. You have huge knowledge. You talked about Gita, you talked about Vivekananda, you talked about so many things. It is like now I am nervous.
Thank you for having it. Such a astounding honor and pleasure to have you here. Please enlighten us with a little bit of your journey and how did you face all the challenges which was up against you, and enlighten us about your journey. We are very eager to hear it, intrigued.
Sure. So first I would like to focus on few things. I'm the founder of Smart Kindies Preschool. It's an activity center and a concept daycare. So I will focus on why it is a concept daycare. So preschool. So when we talk about preschool, the picture is in front of your eyes.
Right.
Kids are crying, moms are tensed, fathers are tensed, entire family is tensed.
Right.
How my child will be taken care of? How will you do this? My child is cranky, not eating food, toilet training. So many things are there because I am a mom of a 14-year-old son.
You don't look like.
Thank you so much for the compliment. So even I faced this, and when I started sending my son to a preschool, he did not cry for a single day. And where kids were lying down on the floor and just maybe the teacher is snatching and then mom is pulling, and I was mothers are, and that psychology.
Correct.
They're always
hypertense.
Hypertense. So that time, why I was tense is my son did not cry. The entire class, each and every child is crying, and my son is happily going inside and coming after 3 hours. So the teacher was like, "You should be happy, Shilpa, that he's not crying." I was like, "No, something is there. He's not connected to me. Why he's not crying?" That mama, even I want to see that love from his side. See, moms are you need to really go to in their heart and mind to penetrate and understand their feeling.
True.
And that time, I'm talking about my son is in class 9 right now. So, and that time we did not used to get so many pictures and updates, which I used to miss, because preschool is something which we were not having in our time. Right. And I wanted to see those lovely moments what my son is doing inside. And the thing was
capturing those moments.
Capturing those moments. So these things were always in mind. And from my childhood, I was obsessed with toddlers. Obsessed. Any marriage function, किसी शादी में आप मुझे ले जाओ, मैं आपको maybe I was 7-8 years old and I was there with a 1-year-old.
Oh, wonderful.
Always playing
बच्चों से बहुत प्यार थी.
From the beginning, it was there in my, maybe subconscious mind, I don't know.
Naturally born.
Yes. And if I talk about my studies, I am a master's in mass communication.
Wonderful.
And a professional graphic designer, which I'm not continuing anymore, but I was working with different designing agencies. But when my son was born, I realized that this is something I want to do.
That is your calling.
Because whole day I was busy with him.
Yes.
I used to enjoy staying with him. It is not because he's my son or something like that. I've always enjoyed being with toddlers. And there my mom was like, see, this is something, I belong from a Jain family. See, whole-time job, full-time job, you can understand that time it was not so easy. And I was from a background of media.
Right.
So my mom, because whatever I am today, or like the inspiration, the focus and everything is like she is, and my mother and my father is the guiding light. They are no more. But then again, like, they're always with me.
But their blessings are always.
Yes, it was all because of them.
You can
All
feel
because
that,
of
you
them.
know.
Yes. So this is how, like, and you won't believe, I had a, like, you know, you can say an operation I had to go through that was very severe. That was on the first day my son started going to high school.
Really?
He went to high school and I was hospitalized.
Oh my God.
And you won't believe, like, I already bought a form for this teacher's training course because it was in my mind.
Right.
Before going to the operation bed,
Right.
I signed and I told my husband, you
Right.
please, like, submit the form tomorrow because tomorrow is the last date and I want to join. And he was like, you're so critical. I was in a very critical condition actually. Like, you know, doctor was like, the doctor came to my place to see me. He was like, এই কিছুক্ষণের ভেতরেই মরে যাবে কি তাড়াতাড়ি হসপিটাল নিয়ে যাও and I was signing that form ki, you know, please submit kal kar dena, I really want to do it.
That because your thirst and quest was there
Yes.
to do this.
And my mom was like, do it, you will be able to do it. So that was her strength. And I filled up the form after a month, like holding myself and, you know, gathered all the strength, and I started my journey as a teacher. And there in a batch of all young girls, college going girls, I was the mom and struggling with my health that time. I did a course of 1-year degree course and I topped in my batch.
Wonderful.
So that came as an inspiration,
Right.
and
Inspiration
yes,
for all of us.
yes, and then from the very beginning, from my childhood, I was very inclined towards art and crafts, dance, drama,
Right.
sports,
Right.
and all these things. So, and then I started working with different preschools, like junior teacher, assistant teacher. You won't believe, I started working in the salary of 1,000 rupees.
Right.
So 1,000 rupees, everybody used to say, क्या करोगी? हाँ, 1,000 rupees में काम करने निकल जाती हो. So my mom told me, don't see the money.
Right.
Don't see what you are, like, you know, don't focus on that side. Just learn your work. Learn and learn. So there come the thing, and then after 4 to 5 years of working with different schools, I came with my own brand, that is Smart Kid Days Preschool. So there it is, now 7 years old.
Oh, wonderful.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you so
and
much.
salute to your courage and fortitude. Salute.
No, and I'm learning, and I'm
Of
like, you
course.
know, hearing so many inspiring stories, and I would like to come here again and again, because it is important when you listen, when you get to hear these things, you know, you get that inspiration to work harder, more and more, and, you know, following your dreams with lots of passion.
Right.
So, like, if you talk about the journey we're asking, so I think like there is no shortcut.
No,
And
there is not.
there is no shortcut. And the thing is, like if I say, no success without any struggle. No struggle, no success. So struggle is the essence of any journey. बहुत मुश्किलें आएंगी, you will cry, you will just,
Torn,
you know,
fragmented,
everything. Like, you're like, बस मैं कैसे करूँ? But then again, we pull ourselves, and then we, you know, come with a bang, and there is your courage, and there is your power.
Correct.
So ऐसा नहीं है that I have not faced challenges, I have not faced. Yes.
It's a very must also to
Must
strengthen
also,
ourselves.
yes.
To
But I
become
would
tough.
like, yes, and I would say, ma'am was telling that's a 3 triangle. I always say it's a pillar. Pillar is like my students, parents, and my team.
Right.
So without a strong team, you cannot come forward. So I am blessed to have a very, very beautiful and strong team who support me with each one of my smallest like
Just
yeah, dream you can say, and each.
so that's a universe blessing that will give you back.
Yes. That's a blessing, and like with this thing, like this 3 pillars, and the parents, like we do not focus on like much on the marketing part, if you would say.
Correct.
Because it is all mouth publicity,
Right,
what
right.
works
Word
for
of
us.
mouth, yes.
Yes, word of mouth. Because अगर आपको एक भी मॉम आके बोल देगी ना, उस स्कूल में मेरा बेटा जाता है,
Right.
and they are very good, they are handling them, the kids with a very nice
Love,
maybe
tender,
care or love,
all
tender.
yes.
Yes, your work is done.
Done,
There
exactly.
is your work.
Exactly.
So हमारा जो tagline है, the tagline of Smart Kindies is love, knowledge, growth.
Wonderful.
Because I believe through love you can do everything and anything.
Such power it has.
Such power it has. And see, you are giving me your precious thing. It is like your child.
Absolutely.
You know, it takes a lot to trust the person,
Of course.
the principal or the team or the school or the preschool, because high school is a different thing.
Yeah, that time they are grown up.
Yes, they are grown up. They know how to handle themselves.
Yes,
They can
yes.
speak.
Yes.
We have kids from 1 year old.
Of course.
1
1
year old.
year
Yes.
old.
I will show you the pictures. Maybe 1 year old.
Lovely.
Yes, and like you know, and the thing is like कितना एक डर होता है जब आप अपने 1 साल के बच्चे को
बिल्कुल,
किसी
बिल्कुल,
दूसरे के हाथ में 2 घंटे के लिए छोड़ के जाते हो, चाहे वो 10 मिनट भी होना, द चाइल्ड इज क्राइंग,
जान है उसमें।
आपका जान है, आप बाहर खड़े खड़े आपके अंदर कुछ बचता नहीं है कि व्हाई माय चाइल्ड इज क्राइंग. सो देयर इज माय चैलेंज. एंड मतलब like we always say that 3 months is the settlement time.
Right.
Each kid is unique, so they take their own time to settle down.
Right.
Because what we focus on is to earn the trust of the child. The child should be loving the place where the child is coming. The child should be loving like us, and there is the bond. Like so मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे like what my vision is कि मैं ऐसी एक जगह बनाऊं, ऐसा स्कूल बनाऊं, या ऐसा ही एक विजन रखूं that my kids will love the teachers,
Yes.
kids will love the place, and kids will love that environment. So it should be so colorful, so welcoming, and full of love and care. So that is my focus in all the, because
Awesome.
अगर प्यार होगा और वो कनेक्शन होगा, आई हैंडल लाइक जो बच्चे बहुत क्रैंकी होते हैं कि सेटल होने में टाइम ले रहे हैं, आई हैंडल मी एंड माई सेंटर एंड हैंडल देम पर्सनली. मुझे बहुत मजा आता है. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि गॉड गिफ्टेड एक चीज मुझे दिया है भगवान ने टू अंडरस्टैंड पर्टिकुलर चाइल्ड, और मैं उनको सेटल कराती हूँ. ऐसा भी हुआ है मैम दैट देयर आर किड्स for 1 year they are sitting in my office on my lap doing all the classwork there, because I believe in a no pressure culture. ऐसा नहीं है that you have to sit in that classroom, because they are very innocent. This is the foundation years of their lifelong education journey. अगर उसको अभी से interesting and colorful, enjoyable and fun learning नहीं बनाएंगे, then it is a lifetime thing.
Absolutely.
So we want to focus on their behavior,
Right.
social behavior, attitude, discipline, and sharing, and these things. And with our basic curriculum, like we follow all modern curriculum along with yoga.
Right.
Every Monday is a yoga day. Zumba, storytelling, shloka, STEM activities, music, bhajans, and dance. Yes, these 8 things are every day, every week it is lined up without any fail. So it is not just phonetics and the early maths concept, or you can say the basic curriculum. Along with that, we
many
are,
extra curriculum,
yes,
yeah.
the approach is holistic and sustainable. Also with that, want my kids to learn about the environment, saving electricity,
Right.
saving water.
Correct. The
So energies, because see, you need to think about this world, you need to think about your country, your mother earth. So this is my whole journey. I think I took a lot of time,
No,
but
right,
very
ma'am.
things to say.
It's so
It was wonderful.
Thank you so much,
It was
ma'am.
wonderful, and it will be a great association with Smart Kindies.
Thank you so much for having me.
A wonderful speaker. It was nice
Oh
listening
my
to
God.
you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.